Ever found yourself staring at a job description, seeing NetSuite certified as a requirement, and then instantly wondering, okay, but how much is that going to set me back? Or maybe you're already neck deep in the NetSuite world, realizing a certification could be your golden ticket to a promotion, a raise, just plain old professional validation. You're thinking, is this a few $100? 1,000? More? Let's be real. Navigating the world of professional certifications can feel like trying to decipher a secret code. There's the exam fee, the training, the potential retakes, the study materials. It all adds up. And when it comes to NetSuite, a powerful and widely used cloud ERP system, the investment can feel particularly significant. You're not alone in asking this question. I've seen countless discussions online, forums buzzing with speculation, and even direct questions to NetSuite themselves, often met with, well, let's just say less than crystal clear answers. Why the mystery? Well, the cost of NetSuite certification isn't a one-size-fits-all number. It depends on several factors, and that's exactly what we're going to break down today. We're going to demystify the financials, explore the different certification paths, and give you a realistic idea of what you'll be spending. So buckle up, grab your notepad, and let's get into the nitty-gritty of NetSuite certification costs. First, let's address the elephant in the room. What certifications are we even talking about? NetSuite offers a range of certifications tailored to different roles and expertise levels. You've got Suite Foundation. This is your entry-level certification, a foundational understanding of NetSuite's core functionalities. It's often a prerequisite for other, more specialized certifications. Administrator. This certification validates your ability to manage and configure NetSuite for an organization. Developer. If you're into customization and coding within NetSuite, this is your path. Consultant. This certification is geared towards those who implement and advise clients on NetSuite solutions. Suite Analytics User. This focuses on using NetSuite's reporting and analytics tools. Each of these certifications has its own set of requirements and, crucially, its own cost implications. Now, let's talk about the direct cost, the fees you'll pay directly to NetSuite. The most obvious of these is the exam fee. This is the cost of taking the actual certification exam. As of right now, and keep in mind these numbers can change, the exam fees typically range from a few $100s to a few thousand, depending on the specific certification. The Suite Foundation, being the entry level, is usually on the lower end, while the consultant and developer exams tend to be more expensive. But the exam fee is just the tip of the iceberg. What about training? NetSuite offers a variety of training options, from instructor-led courses to self-paced learning modules. These courses are designed to prepare you for the certification exams, and while they're not always mandatory, they're highly recommended. NetSuite's training courses can be quite pricey. We're talking hundreds, even thousands of dollars per course. The exact cost depends on the length, format, and content of the course. If you opt for instructor-led training, you'll be paying a premium compared to self-paced options. Now here's where things get interesting: partner discounts. If you work for a NetSuite partner, you might be eligible for discounts on training and exam fees. This is a significant advantage, so if you're in that position, be sure to explore your options. Beyond NetSuite's official training, there are third-party training providers and online resources. These can offer more affordable alternatives, but be sure to vet them carefully. Look for providers with a proven track record and positive reviews. Study materials are another cost to consider. While some resources might be included in your training courses, you might want to supplement them with additional study guides, practice exams, and online resources. These can range from free online articles to paid study guides and practice exams. And let's not forget about the cost of retakes. If you don't pass the exam on your first attempt, you'll have to pay the exam fee again. This is a crucial factor to consider when budgeting for your certification. So let's put it all together. What's the total cost? It's difficult to give an exact number, but here's a general idea. Suite Foundation. Expect to spend anywhere from $500 to $1,500, including the exam fee, study materials, and potentially a self-paced training course. Administrator. This could range from $1,000 to $3,000, depending on whether you opt for instructor-led training. Developer and consultant. These are the most expensive, potentially costing $3,000 to $5,000 or more, especially if you take multiple training courses. These are just estimates, of course. Your actual costs could be higher or lower depending on your individual circumstances. Now, let's talk about the return on investment, ROI. Why bother with NetSuite certification in the first place? Increased earning potential. NetSuite certified professionals are in high demand, and employers are willing to pay a premium for their skills. Career advancement. Certification can open doors to new job opportunities and promotions. Enhanced credibility. Certification validates your expertise and demonstrates your commitment to professional development. Improved job performance. The knowledge and skills you gain through certification can help you perform your job more effectively. In the long run, the cost of NetSuite certification can be a worthwhile investment. But there are other costs to consider. Time commitment is a huge factor. Preparing for a NetSuite certification exam requires significant time and effort. You'll need to dedicate time to studying, attending training courses, and practicing. This can be challenging if you have a full-time job or other commitments. Stress and pressure are also factors to consider. Certification exams can be stressful, and the pressure to pass can be intense. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.